How to manage Facebook notifications on your iPhone or iPad. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize which Facebook notifications you receive and how they're delivered. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, scroll down and tap Notifications. Find and select Facebook from the list of apps. If notifications are currently disabled, turn on Allow Notifications first. Now, scroll to the bottom of the Facebook Notifications Settings page and tap Facebook Notifications Settings. This will open Facebook's Notification Management page, where you can customize notifications for different activities and features. From here, you can manage notifications for comments, tags, friend updates, reminders, videos, groups, birthdays, and much more. For example, if you tap Videos, you can choose whether to receive notifications related to video activity on Facebook. You can also control how notifications are delivered. Depending on the category, you may have options for push notifications, email notifications, or SMS notifications. If a certain type of notification is becoming distracting, you can simply turn it off without affecting your other Facebook alerts. Repeat these steps for any notification category you'd like to customize. That's how to manage Facebook notifications on your iPhone or iPad.